So once you have your point of passage and you also have your drawer size and you get your drawers in, you're going to need to do a couple different things. These are locks that come with the undermount. You'll need to install those. And then these are the locks for the side mount. We're doing a drop-in tray. So there's a couple different things that you're going to need to do here. First of all, the tray should be a 1/2 inch walls on each side. You're going to need to put spacers on here, which you just take a little bit of glue, little spacer, and you glue those to the floor base. This comes with your system. Then you're going to need to install your locks. Your locks will be installed like this. So what we need to do is we need to install the locks. So basically going to go here. And we need to make sure this go right into there. And then basically want to be right up against the edge there. The locks. So you have your front lock, your back lock, another front lock, back lock. These will sit in here like this.